Derivative of f of x is equal to the 14 ln x. Find f of x. So now let's rewrite this equation here. Okay, so let me take one pen. So let me write x time derivative of f of x is equal with 14 ln x. 14 ln of x. Here this equation we can divide everything by x. When we divide everything by x, we have a differential of f of x is going to be 14 ln x divided everything by x. And now this derivative or differential we can write a d of f of x divided by d of x. And this is equal with 14 ln x divided by x. If we are going to multiply everything by dx, so now we have a df of x is equal with 14 ln x divided by x times dx. If we integrate whole equation, or if we get the antiderivative of a whole this equation, we get the following equation here. D of f of x is going to be equal with 14 ln x divided by x times dx. And the integral of d of f of x is just f of x. And f of x is going to be equal, so the 14 is a constant, we can put in the front here. 14 integral ln x divided by x and every time dx. If we are substituting here, so let me go a little bit further. If we are substituting, ln x is equal with, let's say, with a constant u. If we take in derivative of whole thing here, is going to get a dx over x is equal with a du. And now instead of the ln x here, f of x on the left side, I'm not changing anything. But on the right side here, I'm going to make a substitution. Instead of the ln x, I am writing with a u. But now dx divided by x, I will substitute by du. And now I will take the derivative, the integral of u times du. So let me write f of x on the left side is going to be 14 times u squared divided by 2 plus c. But now we already know the u is ln x. And now f of x is going to be equal with 14, and instead of the u squared, instead of the u, we are going to substitute by the ln x. We're going to go back. And this is a ln x squared divided by 2 plus c. So in other words, f of x, we already found f of x is going to be equal with 14 divided by 2, which is 7 ln x squared, everything squared here, and this is plus c. So this is the f of x.